Hey, so it is Happy New Year, everybody, first and foremost. We just got our doorbell rung by the police in our town, and they let us know that somebody dropped off a bird cage where we put our garbage. This is really sad. So it looks like one of the budgies, parakeets, is dead here. They told us that animal control is on the way. We are going to take the responsibility. We're going to take the bird with us because it is very cold. Not really sure what happened, but apparently he's been out here for a couple of hours. So I will definitely be updating you guys. This is absolutely crazy. This has never happened before. I don't know if this was destiny. This is like so sad. He knows his little buddy's dead and my heart is breaking right now. So I will update you guys.